Using the by 40 objective, which is sometimes referred to as the high dry objective, we can achieve a magnification of by 400 times. This is inadequate for most microorganisms, for example, which need to be examined using a magnification of at least by 1000. The longest objective, the by 100 lens, together with the by 10 eyepiece, will give us this magnification. However, the clarity of the picture suffers. The resolution is inadequate. To improve resolution, and hence picture clarity, we fill the space, called the working distance, between the tip of the objective lens and the slide with immersion oil. Follow this procedure. Set up the letter slide under the by 4 objective. Ensure it is correctly illuminated. Turn the revolving nose piece halfway between the by 4 objective and the oil immersion objective. Place a drop of immersion oil on the surface of the cover slip, and while looking from the side, turn the oil immersion objective into place. The objective lens should be in contact with the drop of oil. Note that the working distance now is a fraction of a millimetre. Carefully turn the fine adjustment until the specimen is in focus. You may need to open the iris diaphragm to increase the light. Use only the fine adjustment. With this magnification, you will find that you will need your hand constantly on the fine adjustment knob. This shows the same slide being viewed without the oil. Note that the lenses are still magnifying adequately, but the picture is hard to focus. It lacks resolution or clarity. Now look again. All that is different here is that there is now oil between the lens and the slide. The picture is clearer, or it now has adequate resolution. This outline of the steps to follow in examination of material under the microscope should be largely revisional from previous work. Always begin with these steps as your starting point. The by 4 objective in the light path. The stage as high as it will go. The condenser taken as high as it will go and then backed off 1/4 turn of the wheel. The diaphragm closed, and the illumination wheel set at about 50%. You will probably have to make adjustments to these as you work. Place 1 drop of the yeast cell suspension on the centre of a clean microscope slide. Handle slide and cover slip by their edges. Cover the suspension with the cover slip as demonstrated here. This method will exclude air bubbles. Place the slide on the stage and secure it in place with the clamps. Rotate the by 4 objective into place if it is not already there. Adjust the amount of light using the intensity wheel and the iris diaphragm. Using the coarse knob, lower the stage, that is, increase the working distance until the cells come into focus. Sharpen focus if necessary with the fine adjustment knob. Now bring the by 10 objective into place and focus again using the fine adjustment knob only. Now move to the high dry objective, the by 40, and using the fine adjustment knob only, bring the cells into focus. To assist you in changing magnification, most microscopes are parfocal or nearly so. That is, the lenses are adjusted so that the specimen remains almost in focus after the microscopist rotates the nose piece to utilise a different objective lens. Thanks to parfocality, only minor adjustments with the fine focus knob are necessary after you rotate to a new lens. But remember to increase illumination with the diaphragm lever when rotating a higher power lens into the observation position. The by 400 magnification, that is, using the by 40 lens, is the maximum magnification you will use for wet preparations of live organisms. Here is what you'll see down the microscope with yeast under a magnification of by 40. It's obvious that you have to adjust the light. By 100, You have to focus, and if you have too much light, you don't see the specimens at all. Maximum magnification for this preparation by 400, and we can start to see the individual cells, which we still have to focus up and down on. Again, too much light, and we can't see the specimens. When you have observed the yeast suspension under each magnification, remove the slide and dispose of it in the slide discard bottle at the front of the lab. We will not examine the specimens of Euglena in this video. You will see them at the residential school. We will now examine just one slide of stained bacteria. This slide you're going to see is of a gram stain bacterium. The bacteria on the slide are dead. They are smeared on the surface of the slide. There is no cover slip. To examine these, you will need to use the oil immersion objective. Place the slide of one of these bacteria on the stage, centre and illuminate the stage. Focus using the by-4 objective. Using the procedure outlined previously, add a drop of oil to the slide and carefully rotate in the oil immersion lens. Focus using the fine adjustment knob only and make any appropriate changes to the illumination, intensity, condenser and diaphragm. In this particular case, you are observing a gram-positive rod. Return to the by-4 objective before you remove the slide. Place the slide in the slide discard bottle. Use both hands to carry the microscope. Keep the instrument upright. Ocular lenses sometimes fall out of an inverted microscope. Use lens tissue to clean all the exposed glass in the optical and illumination systems of your microscope before and after each use. Mascara and fingerprints are particularly difficult to remove and must be wiped off the glass components of your instrument with lens tissue. Remove all the immersion oil. Never remove parts of the microscope without the prior approval of your instructor. Never use the coarse adjustment knob to decrease the space between the objective lens and your specimen while actually looking through the instrument. You might accidentally grind the lens and the slide together. Instead, watch the procedure from the side of the microscope. By watching, as you turn the coarse adjustment knob, you can prevent abrasive contact between the lens and the slide. When you are finished with the microscope, return the by-4 objective to the light path and then remove the slide. Maximise the distance between the lens and the stage while you clean all the surfaces. Clean the lenses with lens paper. Remember to remove all oil. Centre the mechanical stage and wrap the electrical cord round the base. Cover the microscope and return it to the designated place.